Hi guys, Ken here at Performance Chrysler Jeep Dodge Ram in Centerville. I'm down here at the Jeep store today, and one of the things I wanted to talk about is sitting down at the Dodge store. We sometimes hear customers talking about the service departments at either store, and I just wanted to give you an update on some of the changes that we've had at the dealership. Our Jeep customers will now be servicing their vehicles at the Dodge store. As some of you may or may not know, our Jeep service department grew to the point that our customers had to wait sometimes over a week just to get scheduled in. Over the past few months, we've remodeled the back end of our Dodge and Jeep stores so we can have an additional 8 service bays in total. All the service advisors and mechanics are still here with us. They just spread out between both stores to help move things along much faster. Our service department at the Jeep store is now like our used car hub, where all of our used cars for both stores will go for their initial inspection after they get traded in or after we purchase them. From there, they're sent to whichever store took the vehicle in on trade or purchase. Again, if you're bringing in your Jeep for service, you're going to want to come down here to our Dodge store, which is at 95 Loop Road in Centerville. You're going to want to pull up to one of these 2 bays here. Once your vehicle's close enough, the doors will open up automatically. You can pull right on in. You can also schedule ahead at 937-434-9500 and just ask for service. We look forward to helping you, and we hope this clears everything up for you. Thank you for your business, and we look forward to seeing you again.